So in the morning we traded in Nifty 50 and now we're back with BTC USD and market is looking very interesting because we have lots of liquidity today. Huge volumes are getting traded. I'll just expand my chart so that you can have a better view. You can see support from here, resistance from here, again resistance from here, again support from here. So it's not support and resistance. It's not the game of support and resistance. It's more like the game of supply and demand. Always be on the safe side. So market is coming to our levels. If the high of this candle breaks, we'll place the trade and we'll wait to see whether we achieve our target or not here. So it's a very strong conviction trade. The risk to reward ratio which you should always maintain is 1:2. If you maintain that risk to reward ratio, you'll always end in your day in profits. So the most important thing while taking a trade is you manage your risk to reward ratio. And once you have a good risk management system incorporated to your trading style, you'll see that how it changes your trading game. The most important thing which you should keep in mind that your losses should be very small but your profits should be big. So we have a stop loss of $25.98, around $26, and we have a very big target around 1:10 if both the targets gets hit. It's struggling to break that place, but as far as I can see in this market, it should break the high of 29,931 and then it will give a good up move and it will not touch our stop loss today because the market might shoot up from here. We'll have to wait. Current PNL $8, $11, $13. So from 8 we jump to 13 directly. That's how crypto plays. But you have to hold your excitement and you have to stay in your zone. You do not have to get very much excited seeing profits, but you have to control it. Will it cross 15? 14.94. Trade is going in our direction. $15, $19, $21, $25. Man, that's how you print money. $33, $37. $38, $40. We have made $40 and the candle high is broken already. What will happen next? Let me know. $45, 46. We'll see whether it reaches 50 or not. 47, 49, 55, 57, $64, $65, $65, 66, $72. We're in $72. Our target's at $75, $75. Damn. So this is our new target, 29,982, $77. 77. Will it reach 80? Back 81, 84, 84. Come on. We have reached 84. Come on. The market should go in our direction. Let me know whether it will reach 85 or not. If it does not reach 85, I'll close my trade at 77. I think this is the make or break. 85. It is $92. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. $92 booked. $92 booked. Damn. That's how you make money. $92 right in front of your eyes. Done. Absolutely done. Thank you guys. I'm done.